Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Seher Ahmed again from Studio by TCS. I hope आप सब लोग ठीक हैं और आप लोग सब social distancing maintain कर रहे हैं. I know it can get frustrating and but we all have to be patient. We all have to ride this through. So please keep your social distancing because जैसे हम कह रहे थे we're in this together. आज हमारे साथ फातिमा हसन हैं जो live आएंगी. She is one of our top models in Pakistan now and has done many campaigns and a complete sweetheart as well. So I'm just going to wait for Fatima to come on live and come on and take her live as well. And how are you guys? If you have any questions, please keep writing the questions down. We'll take all your questions. I'm just waiting. Once again, we have Fatima Hassan, who is one of the top models of Pakistan. And we're just going to wait for her to come online and then take her live. So, and again, like I said yesterday, if you guys have, if any one of you wants to be featured on our live stories to let us know about this, your talents, or if you want to be featured on our news feed with any cooking recipes or any breathing exercises, जो भी हो, वो आप हमें बता दीजिएगा. So let me check again if Fatima is there. I'm just waiting. Sorry about this, guys. I'm just gonna wait for her to come on live right now. Can you guys hear me? Is the video okay? Everything okay? Let me know. Assalamualaikum Abid, how are you? Alright, so let's just wait and see. How is social distancing going on for you guys? आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं अपने free time में आजकल? कोई काम पे जा रहा है? क्योंकि the essential things are still open. So I'm just wondering कि इधर काम पे कैसे जा रहे हैं? अगर आप लोग काम पे जा रहे हैं, मास्क पहने रखा करें, आप ग्लव्स भी पहने रखें. Fatima Hassan, who's joining us. Thank you, Abid. Hi, Fatima.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Thanks, Fatma. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much for having me. It's so great seeing your face. I haven't seen you in so long.
I know. I think last time we were Millet, it was probably in Thailand, right?
Oh my God, that's embarrassing. Yes. So Seher, myself, my husband, and another friend of ours, we had taken this trip together to Thailand, and it was so much fun. It feels like a lifetime away.
I know. I wish कि हम लोग quarantine Thailand में कर सकते, just by the beach and chilling
So
there.
nice.
Yeah.
If
So
only.
actually, Fatma, I was telling people that you're fast becoming one of the top models of Pakistan, and your journey has been somewhat unusual if you talk about a model's journey. Because you started off. I think I don't know if people know this. You used to be in the development sector. Fatma and I also worked together for a bit. And then later on, you started modeling. And usually people model, I think they start around 18 and all of that, but you started later. And mashallah, so you made a name for yourself as well. So how's that been? Can you tell us a little about that?
That's really sweet of you, Seher. So yes, Seher and I indeed did meet. That was my first job, actually. I just graduated, and so when I was young, like when I was in school, I was approached for modeling a bunch of times, for modeling, acting, and I was never really inclined, to be very honest. Like as a child, it didn't fascinate me at all. And I wanted to take a very different route. I wanted to be an economist, and then I also wanted to be a writer. I was super into literature, and I used to write poetry and stuff back then. And then also my parents were like, no way, पढ़ाई करनी है, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, कोई modeling नहीं करनी, कोई acting नहीं करनी. Focus on your studies. Once you graduate, do whatever you want to do, but not in the middle. then once I graduated, I think I just I became passionate about what I was doing, which is the development sector. I was working at an NGO, and I was super passionate about it. I majored in economics and development, and I thought that, like, this is meaningful work. I am making a difference in people's lives. I'm contributing to society. Why would I want to do anything else? And so that's how it was. And then I continued working in the development sector for about 5.5 years. Yeah, so that's a long time, and I loved it. And then in the middle, I got married, and it's really funny because my husband pushed me. Azam, he said, "You know what? Why don't you give it a shot? I mean, if people are approaching you to model, do it, try it. What's the worst that'll happen? You won't like it, mat karna." And so that's how my journey began. And eventually then I resigned from my full-time job, and then I went all in into modeling, and that's what I'm doing right now. And maybe it'll be something else a few years down the lane, who knows.
So actually, I had no idea myself that it was actually your husband that pushed you to model.
Yeah, I mean, he didn't push me. That's a bit of a strong word, but he did encourage me. He just said that try it. Like, what's the harm? Why are you so against it? At least be open to it. And I said, yeah, like, let me do it for fun on the side. And then I think it was a combination of me kind of stagnating, where I was working full time. I was a little bored. I'd done everything I wanted to do. My interests weren't exactly aligned with where the organization was heading in terms of its own goals. So it just presented the perfect opportunity for me to leave that, and I was already like dipping my toes in something else. So Seher, ek ye bhi hai na कि you can't be 50-50. I mean, you got to do one thing and then go all in. You know what I mean? What I was doing was कि थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे, trying to manage both things, and it doesn't work out. I mean, it's such a disaster. You gotta go all in, give it your 100%. And that was very stressful, to be honest, trying to manage both things at the same time. So once I eventually quit that, and I just like went full into modeling, and also like, blogging on social media, Instagram, things changed. It was less stressful, and I could really focus my energies on one path. So yeah.
Absolutely. So that's good to hear. Well, there's some people who want to. It's Mithu says that you're very beautiful, and Dark Angel wants to talk to them. But anyways, so Fatma, how do you like modeling? Like, how's it been so far? Okay, are you really enjoying it, or is it stressful? What is it like?
Hi, Sabi. My friend's trolling me and he's saying funny things like I'm your biggest fan. I'm also your biggest fan, Sabi. Number one. Anyway, so Seher, I'm glad you asked me that. It's been really wonderful so far. I think that the modeling industry has evolved so much, contrary to people's beliefs and opinions, कि पढ़े लिखे लोग नहीं जाते, या girls from good families. एक तो ये good family क्या होती है भाई? Every family is a good family. What is this? So only good family की लड़कियां इन कामों में नहीं जाती. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. There's every girl is working so hard and doing so well. And they're all so well-rounded, mashallah, and everybody's there by choice. The industry that we had like a few years ago, ये वो industry नहीं है अब. It's evolved so much, and such great things are happening, and such fantastic people are working together. People are supportive, they help each other. And one thing that I've noticed is that so I get asked this one question a lot, and they say that do they respect women, and is it safe for women? And honestly, I've never felt safer in my entire life. Jitna safe
Really?
I feel when I'm on the job. Yes, because they really take care of you. They respect you, they look after you, they want to make sure you're comfortable. इतनी इज्जत देते हैं, इतना प्यार देते हैं कि it's a great working environment. And I mean that's my experience so far. I'm sure everybody has their own. But Alhamdulillah, mine's been great, you know. It's
But that's
I'm learning.
excellent to hear, Fatima, because like that will encourage more people to join the modeling industry. And and I agree with you. सब कहते हैं कि good family की लड़कियां. Even I've never understood कि एक good family का क्या मतलब है. You just
I
have to
know.
work hard at whatever you do. So
Exactly, and you know, Seher, now I'm seeing like a lot of these young girls who are all coming into the industry, and you know, they're all coming by choice, and their families are so supportive. Like their parents pick them and drop them, you know, from the shoot.
yeah,
Like it's really cute. So it's nice. It's nice to be a part of this growing industry with lots of fresh young faces and people from all kinds of walks of life. They come together, and then uh, you become close and you learn so much from one another.
absolutely. So Fatima, tell me that right now, I mean, even before the lockdown, you've been a big proponent of working out and like having a fitness routine. What is it like right now? Like, what are you doing in terms of fitness, and how are you maintaining that balance as well?
Do you want me to be honest, or do you want me to like say the things I should say?
Well, let's go with honesty first, and then you can tell us what we should be doing.
Okay, fine. So honestly speaking, I'm 100% a huge proponent of working out, getting in some kind of like activity in your daily life. I'm addicted to the gym. So once this lockdown situation happened, I freaked out. I said, मेरा दिन कैसे गुजरेगा, because until I'd been to the gym, my day was not complete. No matter how many hours I'd worked for, no matter how tired I was, no matter where I had to go, what dinner. Back when I was living with my dad, even he knew कि अच्छा, whatever dinner or whatever relative we have to go to, it has to be around her gym time, because that's something she's not going to compromise on, right? So once this lockdown happened, I said, oh my God, like this is crazy. But then I discovered that there are a lot of things you can do at home. You don't have to be in a gym. There's so many online workouts that you can follow. And so initially, I think for the first 2 weeks, I was actually training with my trainer online on Zoom. I know everybody's familiar with Zoom now,
Yeah.
post lockdown. So that was great. That was a lot of fun. And now I've just been kind of lazy, not going to lie, because it just takes a special kind of motivation to work out on your own at home.
Yeah.
So what I try to do is I'll try and grab my husband, I'll try and grab Azim and I'll say, come on, let's work out. Or if he's too busy, I'll just do some yoga on my own. Past few days, we've actually been going out for a run. And it's really nice because the streets are empty, the weather
Yeah.
is really nice, the air is so clean, like you breathe and you feel like, oh my God, I'm breathing clean air for a change. So that's really nice. So I think the point is to kind of just get in some kind of activity every day. It doesn't have to be like a hardcore workout session. It doesn't have to be high intensity training. It can be whatever you enjoy. It can be yoga. It can be going for a walk outside. If you like running, go for a run. It can even be like doing household chores. Clean your house, like
Yeah.
hit two birds with one stone. Sanitize bhi ho jayega sara kuch, and you'll get in some activity. So I think the idea
Absolutely.
is that as long as you're not just like sitting on the couch, sitting on the bed all day long, you're keeping yourself physically active, I think you're good.
I think it's also good for your sanity right now because if you're just in bed and watching Netflix or TV
Yeah.
and like
It
it's
gets
depressing.
to you. I agree.
Yeah,
I 100% agree. Because I did that like for like 2-3 days, and I was like, oh my god, like मुझे क्या हो रहा है? मैं depression में जा रही हूँ. So yeah,
yeah,
like you said, and also like doing little things around the house. Like I started experimenting in the kitchen, which is unheard of, like completely unheard of, because I made eggs once and I burnt them. That's how bad I am. But now, I'm enjoying making things. I made a burger the other day because I was craving a burger, and restaurants are closed and deliveries closed. So I said, how hard can it be? Let me do this myself. And, just the process is so gratifying and therapeutic because you see a
yeah,
process through to completion, you know
absolutely,
and
yeah.
like it's great, and then you eat it and it tastes really good and you feel accomplished कि अच्छा ठीक है, I did this. So those little feelings of accomplishment, they go a long way.
So I just want to clarify something because there was a comment about walking outside. So what Fatih meant was not walking with your friends and family. Just walk with one, if your husband, whoever you're quarantining with, walk with them for half an hour, maintain a lot of distance. When we say social distancing, it means that don't go to
Yes.
your relatives or friends' houses, but you can go for a walk for half an hour, just
Yeah.
around the block. Make sure you're not in contact with other people. So please, in no way are we saying कि आप जाके सब एक साथ,
No, not at
marathon.
all. ये तो हमने बिल्कुल भी ये नहीं बोला. I just
Yeah.
read that comment too. It's not like that at all. I mean, like I said, when my husband and I went out for a walk, the roads were completely empty, There was nobody there. So, and as long as you're maintaining distance, if someone's walking like 6 feet away from you on the opposite side of the road, it's all right. We're not saying
Yeah.
कि सब घुल मिल जाएं and walk together. So yeah, thank you
Yeah.
for clarifying that. Oh, hi,
So
Hiba.
there's some people asking whether you have any plans of going into acting.
I don't have any plans, but let's see. I'm open to it, If that comes my way, then why not?
Have you ever acted in it, like even in school के theater या college
Yeah,
में या
oh my
कुछ?
God, I used to love acting in school, like in all the plays. I remember like बचपन में, like we did, those plays where like किसी को tree बना देते हैं, कोई पौधा बना होता है, कोई बिल्ली. So even then I used to love it, and up until like high school and college, like I would do like a lot of plays. So yeah, that's something I enjoyed, but obviously never done it professionally, or never been on the screen.
So Salman
And my
Tareq has
husband
joined us.
saying, my husband is commenting that I'm really good at acting. I don't know what he means.
You should
I
have
have
a
a feeling
word
he's
with
talking
him.
about another kind of acting.
And Salman is also saying, Salman Tareq is another person who worked with us, and he's saying that you were also very good at acting in at office, acting sick.
Salman, please don't get me started. I never took a day off except like after New Year's Eve. Oof, I used to be at the office every single day like a loser.
Yeah.
My friends are really funny. They think they're really funny.
No, it's good. They're entertaining me as well. So yeah,
I
Fatma, so
know.
I was thinking, yeah, so acting is, I mean, I just feel like it's sometimes it comes like a natural transition for a lot of models to go into acting as well.
I think so. I think yeah, it really just depends on what everybody's inclined towards. I think whoever has a talent for it, just the path kind of opens up and then they get into it. Some models do other things. Some become entrepreneurs. I mean, we have such amazing success stories of women like Nadia Hussain, for example,
Yeah.
who's such a successful entrepreneur. She started off. She is a dentist, so she was doing that and she was modeling on the side, and then she fully went into modeling, and then she launched, I think, a clothing line. She did shoes. Now she has an amazing clinic, a salon. um, she's doing a bunch of things, dentistry also. So it's amazing. I mean, there's so much that one can do. No, Salman, my husband is not into modeling. Yeah, financial modeling. That's correct. And somebody is saying, please promote positivity in this tough time.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, how do you maintain positive? How do you remain positive right now, Fatma? I mean, it's so tough. I feel sometimes you can actually get into this rut of depression as well. You know?
I know. Like one, it sounds really, really simple, but like one tiny thing that changed my perspective in life was just practicing gratitude. Like, I know we use the word very loosely कि हाँ हाँ ठीक है अल्लाह का शुक्र करना चाहिए ठीक है सब कुछ है but not like that, like consciously waking up, like from the minute you wake up and you take your first breath, just looking at everything around you and being grateful कि I woke up today, I woke up healthy, I'm breathing, I have a roof over my head. you know if you just start your day that way, you become so much happier and so much more positive. And to be honest, it's not like I do that every single day. I'm like a regular human being and I have my good days and my bad days. But this is something that um, I'm actually like putting an effort into doing, just being grateful for so much.
Yeah, and I think this is a time right now that we have to all be grateful because there's so many people who have so many problems right now, especially the daily wages and I mean daily wages, who probably don't have food at
Yeah.
their table right now, and
Yeah.
हम लोग घर पे बैठ के it's a privilege for us actually,
Hundred
so
percent, 100%. Sorry, I'm cutting you off, but like on that note, another thing that keeps depression away and makes you really, really happy is actually doing something for someone else. I kid you not, it is the best feeling in the world. Like if you help someone, किसी daily wager को help कर दी, राशन दे दिया, anything, spoke nicely to someone, made someone smile, it really makes you feel so good that wow, I helped someone today, I made a difference in this person's life.
yeah,
So yeah, I think that's.
absolutely.
Salman is asking, what's the first food you will order when Food Panda comes back online? That's a good question. Seher, what will you order?
I think I was telling someone yesterday as well that I really want biryani. Because you know that bazaar ki biryani or like
Yeah.
that you can't get at home. At least on my
Yeah, the
house.
masale wali, tel wali,
Yeah,
intense.
yeah.
What will I order? I don't know.
I've been seeing your Insta stories and I've been looking at how great a cook Azam is now.
Please, he has this one pasta that he's made 15 times, and everybody is like so excited and saying that wow, Azam's such a great chef and he knows how to cook things. Hello, he has this one pasta that he makes every other day, and every other day I also put it on my story that Azam's cooking. But guys, it's like literally the same food, the same recipe, but it does taste really good. So I'm not complaining. I enjoy it.
Yeah. I just want to address something. Oh, Azam's asking if you want to have pizza.
No, he's saying that you'll order pizza when like restaurants open. He's right actually because I have been craving pizza.
Yeah, Ahmed Dada Boy has also joined us. Okay, so let's
Hi,
try and
Ahmed.
speak in Urdu now because a lot of people are saying speak in Urdu. Fatma, so tell me that I just want to address something though. The people जो अभी हमें negative comments भेज रहे हैं, there are few, and I just want to say कि I don't understand कि at this time कि नेगेटिव कमेंट्स कौन क्यों बोलेगा इतनी नेगेटिविटी है एंड वी ऑल नीड लव इन दिस वर्ल्ड राइट नाउ so it's beyond me to understand and I'm sure those people are good people as well. I don't think anyone's born a
Yeah,
bad person, so
yeah, no,
and
I agree
that
with you.
yeah
I think that like maybe that's their way of coping. maybe that's their outlet, maybe उनका यही outlet है कि हम live में जाके लोगों को mean चीजें बोलें, जो लोग हमारे spirits uplift करने के लिए अपने दिन का एक हिस्सा निकाल रहे हैं और अपनी conversation को live कर रहे हैं सब लोगों के सामने, उनके साथ हम mean बातें बोलें, तो शायद उनकी ये थेरेपी है, शायद उनका ये आउटलेट है, उनका दिन इतना बुरा गुजर रहा है लेकिन अब शायद वो खुश फील कर रहे हो, तो ठीक है, यू नो, आई मीन इट्स नॉट जस्टिफाइड, इट्स नॉट नाइस गाइस, हमारी भी फीलिंग्स होती हैं और क्या पता हमारा दिल इससे दुख रहा हो, मगर ये कि प्रैक्टिस कंपैशन, यू नो, दूसरों की तरफ थोड़ा प्यार बढ़ाएं, फिर खुद भी आपकी जो अंदर की फीलिंग्स हैं या जो भी आपके अंदर दुख दर्द है जिसकी वजह से आप इस तरह बिहेव कर रहे हैं, वो शायद खुद ही चला जाए, you know.
Fatma, that was very well said, by the way, because, but then, you know, on the other hand as well, I see so many people with positive messages and defending us as well on live Instagram, and that really touches my heart, you know, so thank you everyone, because that's so kind.
Thank you so much, guys. That's really sweet. Yeah. And one of my friends is saying that Azam is good at making excuses only.
So if everyone who's watching, agar aapko pata nahi hai, Azam is actually Fatma's husband. So that's who we were talking about. Adil Ahmed is asking, are you reading these days? What's on your reading list? Kya pad rahi hain aap aaj?
That's a very good question. Okay, so एक बहुत बुरी हैबिट मैंने पिकअप कर ली है, वो अभी नहीं की थी, before lockdown when like we were really busy and our schedules were really tough. I would like any new book I'd find, I'd start reading it despite having another book that I haven't finished. And इस तरह से क्या हुआ कि 3, 4, 5 ऐसी किताबें मेरे पास जमा होती जा रही हैं जो मैंने आधी पढ़ी हुई हैं, which is like really wrong. So I have a bunch of books actually, and they're lying right next to me. Let me show you. So this is one of them. I'm a huge Murakami fan, and I also love Franz Kafka. So Kafka on the Shore was just something that I was naturally inclined to read. And then this is one of my favorite books of all time, Sylvia Plath, The Bell Jar. I read it again and again and again. ये बहुत अच्छी ऑथर है.
सिल्विया प्लैथ तो बहुत डिप्रेसिंग टाइप स्टफ होता है.
I know, but मुझे इतनी पसंद है और डिप्रेसिंग राइटिंग मैं पढ़ के मुझे बहुत शौक है. I don't know. It talks to my like inner soul or something. Her poetry is also something I was obsessed with growing up, and I would try and replicate it. And then Sapiens is also something that. This was actually a birthday gift from my friend Yusuf. I don't know if he's like tuned in, but it is a great book, and it came out recently, so I think a lot of people have read it or are reading it.
So Fatma, when you're saying that aap like थोड़ी books पढ़ती हैं आधी, so do you get आप bored easily हो जाती हैं, or do you need like something like you need another story? Is that something like, have you noticed that, or is that just a habit with books?
No, I don't get bored easily. I'm very self-entertained. Yes, my attention span has reduced considerably because when I was, you know, in my younger days before we had smartphones and whatnot, और ये Netflix वगैरह सब नहीं होता था, I used to lap up books, you know. I think I was only 5 or 6 when I finished my first classic novel, and I finished it I think in 2 days or something, and my dad was shocked. He thought I was lying. So he sat me down and he quizzed me. He said, let me quiz you on everything. And I was correct because I just read it so fast. But now it's not कि मैं बोर हो जाती, वो भी है, I think थोड़ा सा attention span issues भी हैं, but it's also the excitement of a new book. That's something that stayed with me since I was a girl. Getting a new book and just flipping through the pages and, you know, like delving right into it. So I think it's a bit of both. Hi Nada, how are you? another friend of mine
Yeah.
has joined in.
Fatma, tell me another thing that how are you taking care of? I mean, even generally with being a model, all that makeup and all. So, do you have any skincare routine like which आप करती हो कि at night or in the morning? Some basics that you have.
Seher, so my skincare is very, very basic, okay? And also like skincare is something that I think at least for me it keeps changing. Like it's very by trial and error. जिन दिनों बहुत ज़्यादा makeup हो रहा है या बहुत ज़्यादा sun exposure है, I need to adjust my skincare accordingly. These days it's very, very basic because I'm not doing a lot of makeup. I barely, there are days I don't do makeup at all. We're just at home, getting enough sleep, eating enough. There's like a routine in place. So, but my basic is to always cleanse, like double cleanse. So, for example, like I'll wake up in the morning and the first thing I do is I cleanse my face. I use a toner and then I'll use some vitamin C. And another thing that I like doing is I like icing my face because I don't know if this is true or if it's just like in my head that it like shrinks the pores. They say that that's a myth, like pores don't shrink and open so easily. But anyway, I just feel like my skin feels nice and tight and glowy when I do that. So I do that, and then I'll just my skin is kind of oily and it's very, very sensitive. So I use a gel-based moisturizer. You can like literally use anything. यहाँ पे Neutrogena का मिल जाता है, Hydro Boost बहुत आराम से. It's quite reasonable. So then I use that and that's it. And then at night, and if I'm going out, then I'll use some sunscreen. But because that's just extra added chemical, I try to avoid that unless I know I'll be going out in the sun. And then रात में again सोने से पहले I use a cleanser, so I clean my face with that. I use a toner, and then I'll spray on some rose water. One thing I really like using is hyaluronic acid. So what hyaluronic acid is essentially, it's like water for your skin. So it's very, very hydrating, and you can use it in drops form or you can get a mist. There's Primary Skincare. It's a great local brand. I love using their mist. I just like spray it on my face and it instantly like freshens up my face and hydrates it.
Oh, nice. Fatma, can you just say hi to Heather because he's a big fan of yours from Lahore and
Oh,
Heather Ali. Yeah.
hi Heather Ali. How are you? How's the weather in
And
Lahore? I've heard that it's really hot. यहाँ पे भी बहुत गर्मी हो गई है, by the way. And hi Maya, what's up? And
this
somebody is getting
person
really
is
sad that
asking if you were in BQ school.
I was. When I was in class 5, जब मैं class 5 में थी, I was in Beachview School. And I'll go on your profile, maybe then I'll remember you. And
Yeah.
then, and also, by the way, we need to talk in Urdu. I'm really sorry, Khan's level के आप हमें मुसलसल कह रहे हैं कि हम उर्दू में बोलें और फिर हम कभी-कभी इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हैं. तो अब हम एफर्ट करेंगे, सहर और मैं, कि हम सिर्फ उर्दू में बात करें.
So
And
हमारे
it's
पास
not like हम
Canada
उर्दू
से भी
में
कोई
normally,
join
I was saying it's not
करे.
like कि हम normally उर्दू में बात नहीं करते, and of course that's our mother tongue.
बस आजकल ये होता है हम लोग स्विच करते रहते हैं so like कभी इंग्लिश बोल रहे होते हैं उससे उर्दू आ जाती है उर्दू में इंग्लिश but we're really sorry हम लोग ट्राई करेंगे कि ज्यादा हम लोग उर्दू बोलें.
उर्दू में बात करें, exactly.
Yeah. So I think Heather Ali is saying कि उन्होंने आपके साथ काम किया था in Jazz commercial.
Oh really? Wow. Amazing.
So
Wish I can see you again. देखें, you're seeing me right now. Wishes do
फातिमा
come
कैसा
true.
लगता है वैसे sometimes कि आपके क्या कहते हैं कि billboards में आपकी you're all over town on billboards में so it must be a very nice feeling as well कि आपका काम सब देख सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल, it's a very nice feeling and like सहर इतनी मेहनत उसमें involved होती है कि I can't explain कि उस एक तस्वीर के पीछे एक बिलबोर्ड या एक इश्तिहार, अगर 2 सेकंड का भी आप 2 सेकंड के लिए आए उस इश्तिहार में, तो उसके पीछे कितनी मेहनत होती है, कितनी हम लोग तैयारी करते हैं, रिहर्सल करते हैं, हमारी स्किन कितनी इफेक्ट होती है मेकअप की वजह से, हमारा स्लीप स्केड्यूल, हम फैमिली के साथ इतना टाइम नहीं स्पेंड कर पाते, तो अच्छा फील होता है कि मैंने मेहनत की तो वो उसका अजर आ रहा है, लोग देख रहे हैं या लोग अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. इट्स नाइस.
नाइस. एंड हैव यू सीन कि अब लाइक जब आप जाती हैं लाइक हाउ डज इट फील कि थोड़ा फेमस भी होके लाइक कैसा लगता है?
आई डोंट थिंक कि मैं फेमस हूँ, बट अच्छा लगता है अगर कोई पहचाने, इट्स लाइक अगर आप सुपरमार्केट में जाते हैं, आपको कोई अपना फ्रेंड नजर आता है, राइट? आप एक्साइटेड होते हैं एंड यू मीट योर फ्रेंड कि अच्छा मुझे कोई जानने वाला मिला है, तो इसी तरह फील होता है कि अगर कहीं पे किसी ने पहचान लिया आपकी काम की वजह से, तो खुशी होती है कि अच्छा ठीक है, मेरी जो मेहनत है वो लोग अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, तो इट्स
या
रियली नाइस.
फातिमा, नाउ मैं आपसे पूछूंगी आपका लाइक फेवरेट स्नैक, जो आई थिंक आपको जो फॉलो करते हो उनको तो पता होगा कि क्या है.
मेरा फेवरेट स्नैक, हेल्थी स्नैक या नॉन हेल्थी स्नैक?
नॉन हेल्दी स्नैक जो आप पोस्ट कर रही होती हैं.
ओह, मैं नहीं बोलूंगी यहाँ पे, क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे कुछ भी फ्री नहीं भेजा, इवन दो मैं उनकी बहुत पब्लिसिटी करती हूँ.
ओह नो, उनसे
बाय
कहना
द वे,
पड़ेगा कि
हाँ, बट पता है मैंने इतने खा लिए कोको मोज नाउ, फॉर दोज ऑफ यू हु आर वंडरिंग, कि नाउ आई एम लाइक ओवर देम. I'm like done. I'm like on a break. Now I'm really enjoying Magnum.
रियली.
Yeah, the ice cream. It's so delicious. Have it every
या
night.
या आई थिंक यही होता है कि अभी जैसे कुछ करने को होता नहीं है तो बस फ्रिज के राउंड्स लगा रहे होते हैं हम लोग भी.
आई नो. नहीं, और मेरा फेवरेट टाइम होता है रात में, ठीक है, मैं एक शो अपना लगाती हूँ, जो भी शो चल रहा है वो मैं लगाती हूँ, और फिर क्या कहते हैं, मैं और मेरे हस्बैंड हम लोग जाते, हम सोचते हैं अब आज रात हम कौन सा स्नैक खाएंगे, तो फिर उस वक्त फ्रिज खुलता है या एक और स्नैक्स वाली कैबिनेट है. यूजुअली वो कैबिनेट खाली होती है, बट माशाल्लाह आजकल वो इतनी भरी हुई है, उसमें हर किस्म का स्नैक घुसाया हुआ है. बट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टॉप ब्रिंगिंग ऑल दीज स्नैक्स बिकॉज we're just constantly eating them. Every night we're eating some snack or the other.
बट जो ऑल्सो आप लोग बहुत आई कैन नॉट रॉन्ग दोस इंस्टेंट नूडल्स एज वेल ना, दैट दोस एज वेल.
I really, Azam is obsessed with them. ठीक है ना, he wants to make them every night. Then the other day we went grocery shopping. So I was like, oh, अच्छा मैं ले लूँ ये instant noodles because you, and he said, like don't get them because if you get them, I'm like going to OD. And it's not like he makes one packet in one go, guys. He'll make 2 packets. And 2 पैकेट्स
वाह.
में ये नहीं है कि मैं भी खाऊंगी साथ में, वो 2 पैकेट वो अकेले खाएगा. He gets really upset if I ask for a bite. So then I didn't get noodles this time.
So someone is asking कि आपकी डाइट क्या होती है to maintain your physique and your.
Hi, Rebellious Brownie. Such a cute username. आप मेरी डाइट क्या है? अच्छा ठीक है. So usually हैदर मैं क्या ट्राई करती हूँ on normal days, ठीक है ना, मैं अभी नॉर्मल टाइम की बात कर रही हूँ. दिस पीरियड डजंट काउंट बिकॉज लाइक we're in lockdown. So in normal times what I try is कि मैं अपना शुगर इनटेक मिनिमाइज करूँ, ठीक है. तो मैंने घर पे वाइट शुगर लाना बंद कर दी एंड आई स्विच टू, देखिए जितनी कम प्रोसेस चीज आप खाएंगे ना उतना आपके लिए बेहतर है, ठीक है. तो जो सफेद चीनी होती है वो बहुत प्रोसेस्ड होती है. दैट्स नॉट इवन लाइक रियल फूड, असली भी नहीं है वो, इतने प्रोसेसेस से गुजर चुकी होती है. तो मैंने घर पे शक्कर या गुड़ लाना शुरू कर दी. तो वो अपनी चाय में मैं 1 चम्मच उसका पीती हूँ दिन का रोज, एक वो हो गया. सो चीनी लिमिट कर दी. उसके बाद जो आटा घर पे यूज होता है और जो चावल यूज होते हैं वो आई मेक श्योर कि वो होल व्हीट हो या मल्टीग्रेन हो। सफेद वाला आटा नहीं, सफेद वाले चावल नहीं, लाल
आई थिंक
आटा
वो चक्की
और
की
ब्राउन।
आटा होता है, चक्की का आटा
यस,
है ना? या
या चक्की का आटा। एंड यू नो एक्चुअली मेरी अम्मी ने क्या करना शुरू किया है, आप लोगों ने मल्टी ग्रेन ब्रेड का सुना होगा, तो वो अपना मल्टी ग्रेन आटा बनवाती हैं। तो सो 7 डिफरेंट ग्रेन्स, 7 डिफरेंट ग्रेन्स को वो मिला के और वो ले जाती हैं उसके पास, एंड देन उसका वो आटा लाती हैं। तो दैट्स ऑल्सो वेरी हेल्थी।
या
तो एक तो डाइट वाइज ये हो गया, ठीक है ना, नो कोई वाइट शुगर नहीं, कोई सफेद आटा नहीं, लाल आटा, ब्राउन राइस। और उसके अलावा मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं फिर प्रोटीन बहुत ज्यादा खाऊं, तो अंडे हो गए। अच्छा, अंडे भी देसी अंडे, सही, दूसरे अंडे नहीं आने। um, और फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स, फल और सब्जी, वही चीजें जो हमारे अम्मी अब्बू ने बचपन से हमें सिखाई हैं, वो बिल्कुल ठीक है। कोई भी आप डाइट फॉलो कर लें, किसी भी फिटनेस, कोई भी न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट से बात कर लें, वो सब यही कहते हैं कि सब्जी फल जरूर खाएं, नेचुरल चीजें खाएं, आर्टिफिशियल चीजें कम खाएं, ज्यादा से ज्यादा घर का खाना खाएं। एंड मेरी अम्मी को जैसे लगता है कि मैं हर वक्त बाहर के खाने खाती हूँ, बट शी डजंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट एक्चुअली ऑन नॉर्मल डेज आज़म एंड आई आर वेरी गुड, हम सिर्फ घर का ही खाना खाते हैं। तो जैसे दाल हो गई, अब दाल इज सो रिच इन प्रोटीन्स, वी लव हैविंग दाल, वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ दाल। कबाब हो गए, फ्रीज करके बना के रख दिए, जब दिल चाहा
या
निकाल के थोड़ा सा ऑलिव ऑयल में फ्राई कर लिया, बेक कर लिया, एयर फ्राई कर लिया। तो ये बेसिक चीजें, वेरी सिंपल, नथिंग फैंसी, सब कुछ एक्सेसिबल है, लो कॉस्ट है, सस्ता है।
yeah. Madiha is online as well, so I just want to say hi to her. And
हाय मदीहा।
couple of, and Rehan is also online. Just going through the messages.
Hi Sheru. Oh, hi Mishi. So much fun like seeing your friends join in and make
Yeah, and
comments.
actually, when you were saying घर का खाना, it's so true that मैं भी weight lose करना चाह रही हूँ। और मैं जब से ये कोरोना क्वारंटीन हुआ है, right, मैं ज्यादा खा रही हूँ, but I've actually lost a bit of weight because सब घर का खाना है।
That's so true by the way, कि हम
Yeah,
हम रेस्टोरेंट्स में जा नहीं रहे, हम फजूल खर्ची नहीं कर रहे, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि किस चीज पे खर्चे, सिर्फ और सिर्फ ग्रोसरीज पे हम खर्च रहे हैं, ठीक है, एसेंशियल्स पे हम खर्च रहे हैं। तो इट्स नाइस, एंड आई होप हम यही हैबिट्स अपनी कंटिन्यू करें इवन पोस्ट लॉकडाउन।
तो फातिमा, आप पहली चीज क्या करेंगी जब ये लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाए?
अच्छा, कोई ये भी पूछ रहा है, सॉरी आई कम बैक टू दैट, कंसिडर असली घी इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग सो कॉल्ड प्रोसेस्ड कुकिंग ऑयल। you're 100% राइट, आई फॉरगॉट टू मेंशन दैट। प्रोसेस्ड ऑयल नहीं यूज करती मैं, देसी घी ही यूज करती हूँ, देसी घी और ऑलिव ऑयल दोनों यूज करती हूँ, डिपेंड्स के क्या बन रहा है। अगर लाइक कोई लंबी कुकिंग वाली चीज है तो उसमें देसी घी होता है, और ऑलिव ऑयल का चूंकि हीट पॉइंट बहुत लो होता है, सो यू कांट कुक फूड इन दैट। सो ऑलिव ऑयल बाकी चीजों के लिए, जैसे लाइट फ्राइंग एंड स्टफ। बट या, सॉरी Seher, you were asking me something.
Now I've forgotten what I asked you as well.
You said what's the first thing I'll do after
हाँ,
lockdown?
आप
Is that
लोग,
what you said?
yes, absolutely.
I'm gonna run to the gym and like stay there for 24 hours and work out like forever, and maybe even sleep there and then wake up again and then work out there because I really miss the gym.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I really miss it, dude. That place is like my sanctuary. I used to look forward to that every day, so it's like a big chunk of my life is missing.
तो फातिमा, आपने इसमें आप कैसे, how did you get into this कि ये जिम इतना जरूर, I mean a lot of people जैसे बहुत lazy हो जाते हैं
बताओ क्या ये कोई भी चीज सिर्फ एक हैबिट फॉर्म करने की बात होती है, ठीक है ना। एक दफा अगर आपकी हैबिट कुछ चीज बन जाए तो फिर आप उसको नहीं छोड़ेंगे, फिर वो आपकी एडिक्शन बन जाएगी, जस्ट बिकम्स अ पार्ट ऑफ योर एवरीडे लाइफ, एंड उसके बगैर आप नॉर्मल नहीं फील करते। तो इसमें दो तीन चीजें आती हैं, ठीक है ना। एक तो थोड़ी सी विल पावर होनी चाहिए, थोड़ा सा डिसिप्लिन होना चाहिए, एंड बेसिकली लाइक those of you who know me, my dad was in the air forces में थे मेरे अब्बू। तो हमेशा डिसिप्लिन पे बहुत जोर था कि सुबह 8 बजे उठ जाना है, वीकेंड हो या जो भी हो, यू नो, देर तक नहीं सोना, मील्स का एक सर्टेन है। तो डिसिप्लिन बचपन से ही इंस्टिल कर दिया था, एंड आई थिंक दैट स्टक विद मी अब तक, कि कोई कोई चीजों में मैं बहुत डिसिप्लिन हूँ। जिम का भी यही था कि इनिशियली I used to, I was very unfit as a teenager, contrary to what you may believe. मैं बिल्कुल भी फिट नहीं थी, मैं पतली थी, स्किनी थी, मगर मुझ में स्ट्रेंथ नहीं थी, मैं एथलेटिक नहीं थी, स्पोर्ट्स नहीं खेलती थी, एंड यू नो, बचपन में ही मुझे लगता था कि मेरी हड्डियों में दर्द हो रहा है, थोड़ी सी वीक थी मैं, मे बी, आई थिंक, अब जब मैं सोचती हूँ, when I look back on it. एंड आई थिंक उससे मुझे थोड़ा सा रियलाइज होने लगा कि मैं अभी बच्ची हूँ, एंड अभी से माई पेरेंट्स वर ऑल्सो लाइक, यू नो, अभी से तुम्हें हड्डियों में दर्द हो रहा है, यूर अ किड, लाइक इट शुडंट बी लाइक दिस।
Yeah.
और फिर मैंने रियलाइज किया कि हम लोगों के लाइफ स्टाइल इतने सेडेंट्री होते हैं, इतने इनएक्टिव हमारी लाइफ स्टाइल। हम क्या करते हैं, उठते हैं, गाड़ी में बैठते हैं, ऑफिस चले जाते हैं, 8 घंटे ऑफिस में बैठते हैं, फिर घर आ जाते हैं, कोई वॉकिंग कल्चर नहीं है, यहाँ कोई एक्टिविटी नहीं होती। तो फिर मेरे दो दोस्त थे एक्चुअली, एक का नाम है हाइड्रो, एक का नाम है ऑजी। वो जिम शुरू कर रहे थे, दिस इज लाइक 3 इयर्स, 3-4 साल पुरानी बात है। तो उन्होंने हम सब दोस्तों को बोला कि तुम लोग आओ और हमारा जिम देखो कि हमने खोला है। एंड उस जमाने में, बाय द वे, नाउ तो फिटनेस इज लाइक रियली इन फैशन, हर कोई जिम जाता है, हर कोई योगा करता है। उस वक्त आई थिंक पिकअप हो रहा था, इतना कॉमन नहीं था। तो उन्होंने हम सबको बुलाया, सारे दोस्त गए, ठीक है, जो जिम करते हैं वो भी गए, जो जिम नहीं करते थे वो भी गए। मैं नहीं गई, बिकॉज आई सेड नहीं, मेरे बस का तो ये काम ही नहीं है, आई कैन नॉट जिम। तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जब मैं उन दोस्तों से मिली, उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि सब आए थे, तुम नहीं आई, क्यों, और तुम्हें आना चाहिए था। तो मैंने कहा कि मैं नहीं नहीं, मुझे इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है, प्लस मैं इस टाइप की नहीं हूँ। एक होता है ना, वी ऑल हैव
Yeah.
दीज प्रीकंसीव नोशन। एक्चुअली हम लोग, वी आर होल्डिंग आवरसेल्व्स बैक बिकॉज वी आर स्केयर्ड ऑफ
Yes.
डूइंग
Yes.
समथिंग न्यू। हमें डर लगता है, हम स्टूपिड लगेंगे, हम फेल करेंगे, हमने तो कभी किया नहीं, हर कोई इतना अच्छा है इस पे। तो ये चीजें जो है वो हमें होल्ड बैक करती हैं। तो फिर जो मेरा दोस्त हाइड्रो था, उसने मुझे बहुत पुश किया, उसने कहा नहीं, तुम्हें आना पड़ेगा, तुम बस एक दिन आ जाओ, अगर तुम्हें नहीं अच्छा लगा तुम कभी मत आना, मैं तुम्हें कभी नहीं कहूंगा। and it was that one time, you know, that made me become this way। एक दफा मैं गई और मुझे अच्छा
Wow.
लगा, और फिर मैं गई, और फिर बस it, you know, became a habit। So thank you so much, Hydro, for like pushing me in that direction।
Wow. Fatma, so now there are only 10 minutes left. So I'll just take a few questions. You know, it's live session में मुझे भी, I mean, I haven't done this before really. I've just started since Corona. So ये live session automatically 1 घंटे बाद खुद बंद हो जाता है.
Okay, got it। Wow, it's
Yeah.
been almost an hour, Seher, I can't believe it, this was so much fun।
I know, I've had a great time, and that's why I like inviting a lot of people I know, because फिर लगता है like, you know, I enjoy it too, और मैं time just flies by, especially with you. It was
हाँ,
so much
ऐसा
fun.
लग रहा था कि हम लोग हाउस पार्टी कर रहे हैं, वो एक ऐप नहीं है जिसपे आप दूसरे से बात कर रहे होते हैं। So yeah।
Can you see I'm doing a puzzle right now as well, which is a pain. That's why all these
Oh my
things are here. I
God,
didn't realize.
ये शहर का पजल इतना बड़ा है, आप लोग देख रहे हैं, ये पूरी आधी मेज पे ये कवर हुआ हुआ है पजल।
Yeah. बिकॉज आपको अपने आप को एंटरटेन करना होता है, तो जब जितनी मुश्किल अब चीजें पजल्स हैं उतना ही मुझे उसका शौक है अभी करने का।
मैंने अपनी अम्मी को ये लूडो स्टार और स्क्रैबल इस तरह की जो ऑनलाइन गेम्स हैं, मैंने उनको कहा कि ये आप डाउनलोड करें, और मैं खुद भी करती हूँ बिकॉज देर सो गुड आपके मेंटल शार्पनेस के लिए, मेमोरी के लिए ये गेम्स बहुत
या
अच्छी होती हैं। So
या
I actually love words with friends.
या वर्ड्स
Oh,
विद
someone
फ्रेंड्स इज।
saying favorite model ever. Thank you. How sweet.
तो
Hi
फातिमा,
Janji.
एनी लाइक पार्टिंग वर्ड्स अभी के कुछ कहना है आपको हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए?
बस यही कि थैंक यू सो मच कि आप लोगों ने अपना टाइम दिया और हमारे साथ गुजारा। थैंक यू फॉर ऑल योर काइंड वर्ड्स। जिन्होंने मीन चीजें बोली, आपका भी थैंक यू, क्योंकि हम लोग इतने वर्दी थे कि आप लोग ने अपना टाइम हम पे गुजारा। एंड ये कि बी कंपैशनेट। हर किसी पे मुश्किल वक्त गुजर रहा है, और डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मुश्किलात हैं लोगों की, और जिस पे जो गुजर रही है उसको वो मुश्किल ही लगता है, तो कंपेयर मत करें कि मगर मगर उसके पास तो एटलीस्ट ये तो है, मेरे पास तो ये भी नहीं है। तो ऐसा मत सोचें, प्यार बांटें, कोशिश करें खुशियां बांटें, और अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र करें, या वैसे ही ग्रैटिट्यूड और ग्रेटफुलनेस प्रैक्टिस करें। यू विल सी कि आपकी पूरी जिंदगी का आउटलुक जो है वो इतना बदल जाएगा, सिर्फ ग्रैटिट्यूड और अपनी ब्लेसिंग्स को काउंट कर करके। एंड या दैट्स इट।
But Fatma, thank you so much. Thank you so much for agreeing to come live on this session. It was lovely. It was lovely seeing you. And, it was just, I had such a good time. Thank you.
Me too. Thank you so much for having me, and enjoy completing the puzzle and send me a picture once it's done.
I will. I will for sure. And come back with us soon, okay? On studio
I
again.
will. I will come back very soon. Thank you. Thanks
Okay.
everyone.
Okay.
Mwah.
Khudafis.
Khudafiz. Bye.
Bye. So everyone, this was Fatma Hassan, who is a model in Pakistan. I hope आप लोगों को ये अच्छा लगा session. आपके पास कोई भी questions हो, if you want to see someone live on our during these live sessions, please do send us a message. If you want to come live on our sessions, आप लोग please हमें message करें और बताएं आपका talent क्या है, we love to take you on. आप लोग please stay safe, stay indoors, social distancing please maintain करें। मतिया, ये मेरा puzzle है जो मैं कर रही हूँ, it's huge. So thank you, and आप लोग अपना ख्याल रखें, and see you soon. Inshallah, this will be over soon. We're in this